Hi, I'm Miss Amy from Cuyahoga Falls Library.
And I'm Miss Annie.
And it's DINOvember! We are here in the education station at the children's department with these awesome COSI learning lunch boxes given to us by Ohio Library Council. Every kid that comes to the library and does a dino scavenger hunt in the month of November also gets to check out a dinosaur book and gets one of these awesome kits.
While supplies last.
So let's open it up and see what's inside. What do we have in the COSI Learning Lunchbox?
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Look at all of these things that are inside the kit. We have a passport to the color of science. We have, let's see, dinosaur activity book. Can we fill that out? Oh my goodness, there's so many things to do. I think that's the instructions for everything to do that comes included in your kit. We have, this says layer 1 cornstarch and sand mix. What do you think we're doing with this, Miss Annie?
Oh, I don't know. We might be making a volcano of some kind, or some kind of dinosaur egg finding.
What about a fossil cast?
Oh,
maybe
a
we're doing a
fossil.
cast.
That sounds it could be true.
Layer 2 cornstarch only, and layer 3 cornstarch and sand. Ooh, we're building something for sure. What else is in here? There's definitely some stuff rolling around in there.
Oh my gosh!
We have, there's a QR code to learn more about the Dunkleosaurus. I don't know. Am I saying that right? Somebody's gonna have to correct me on that. What else do we have, Miss Annie?
We've got how Earth's moons form, and tooth or toe cards, and some model magic as well,
we
which
love
is
model
so
magic.
much fun. And we've got some pipettes and spoons and all kinds of things to help us with our dino casts, I think.
Annie, guess what this says?
Oh my gosh, what?
Real fossil.
Oh my gosh.
You get a real
fossil.
That is so cool. There is also some salt.
And some little dinosaurs as well.
For dinosaur battles, maybe?
Dinosaur battles, dinosaur hunting, any kind.
And I think,
and a pin. You can wear this on your shirt or your backpack once you complete the kit. That is awesome.
I love a pin. And some dinosaur sponges. This looks like a turtle.
It does look like a turtle
and a dinosaur. So this looks like a lot of fun activities with all the instructions included for everything that's fun. So just to remind you, stop back at the library, do the scavenger hunt, check out a dinosaur book, get the kit.
While supplies last.
This takes place November 14th through the 18th right here at Cuyahoga Falls Library. So we will see you then.